Anong mga struggles nyo being a woman at anong ginawa nyo to succeed in life? This is Doc Min of Empowered Women and I'll share to you my story. Alam nyo ba more than 10 years ago after passing my board exam as a doctor, I wanted to be a surgeon. Kaya nag-apply ako for training. Unfortunately, hindi ko alam na ganun pala kahirap. Why? Because it's a men's world and dominated by male. And actually, ako lang po yung isang babae that time during my training. But in spite of all the difficult times and challenges, hindi po ako nag-give up. Kaya after several years of training, now I'm a surgeon. Next struggle in my life, being a woman, is being a mom to my son. I'm not an ordinary mom. I'm an awesome mom. Anong ibig sabihin nun? I have a son with autism. Sobrang dami din struggles, lalo na yung mga tantrums, meltdown. Usually, nagwawala siya sa labas. So, ang hirap talaga sa part namin. Pero I did not give up. Instead, inalam ko kung anong kailangan gawin. And right now, our son is in regular school. The biggest challenge and struggle in my life is being a breast cancer patient. 2 years ago, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. I underwent surgery, chemotherapy, and radiotherapy. And unfortunately, nagkaroon pa ng problema. So, I underwent a total of 5 surgeries in the last 2 years. Sobrang hirap. Pero, I did not focus on the difficult times at yung hirap na pinagdaanan ko. I kept praying na bigyan ako ng strength para malampasan ko lahat ng ito. And after 2 years, now I'm slowly going back to my grind. All these struggles nalampasan ko as a woman. Kaya ginawa ko tong page na to, Empowered Women by Doc Min, because I want to share to all and to empower women how to be strong and independent, na huwag mawalan ng pag-asa kahit ano man ang problema sa kanilang buhay. Ikaw, anong struggles mo sa buhay mo bilang babae? Share mo dyan sa comment section. Laban lang tayong lahat!